Today's Memorial Day. As you see, the pool is hopping and tons of people around here. Yesterday, worked till late, and this is how far we've got. These are the last steps. Putting these studs in here, and I got four more that I've cut that I need to secure in place. And then on top of this, that's where I'm gonna put my concrete slabs to act as a heat shield against the heat coming from the grill. The grill will obviously sit in this cavity. Um, Ran into a problem with the screws. They would be sticking out down here if I was to use them, and that was gonna interfere with the cabinet going in. So I switched to rivets, and actually they work just as good as screws. And I went ahead and switched these screws to rivets also to make them a little more shallow. These screws also will be switched to rivets. So these corners we put rivets, so when the sheet comes on top, it won't be bumped up or sticking out. So we're gonna continue. The building of the framework is done. This is the last part that was being worked on, the section below the grill, and it's gonna support a series of these cement blocks that are gonna act as heat shield to push the hot air out the vents. These vents were added, and if you notice, these were popped out to accommodate for the skin. So I have to do the same thing here. I have to find nuts and bolts to make these pop out. Furthermore, these screws, they are a little bit too far out, so when the skin goes on, they're gonna be in the way. So all these screws have to come off and be replaced by rivets like these. So every screw has to come out that's on the surface and be riveted. It's a lot cleaner look. And they were also used down here, so there's no injuries going in and out of the cabinet. That's where we are. Okay, the concrete pieces have been put in place. Next will be the riveting part, where we remove the screws and add rivets.